Hi. I don't know if you remember this, the Fastwasher. Since a few time ago, we've got a problem as the pump here was broke, and I have a video from that, and I have and try to find a solution. What can I do? So today I'm going to show you what I have done, and maybe you can do the same. So Fastwasher is a nice thing which I bought from Rolling in France, and when I use it twice, that thing here broke, which it was like that. So the problem when I have just put inside in this to wash the bottle. So the problem we found that was the Ventouses, those things, because it's stuck down there, and you try to move the pump and it breaks. So a good friend of mine, George, we tried to find a solution, and we make this patent if you want to. Bon, je parle français mais pas maintenant. Alors, we found that thing which this is a Teflon, okay? We found a thing that start to make inside like a vis, so we can vis that thing. This is a tube for food, and so we connect that thing here to one, and the second one just here. That thing, it goes. Okay, hold on. Okay, so you can see just like that. Okay, everything is inox. This is not inox. Okay, so those things are inox. So that thing, it goes at the end, which I have that thing. So when I'm going to connect to the pump, this is a pump that we bought also. I'm going to show you right now. It's 400 watt, and it is for clear water. I will make this pattern also, which is here. It's coming here, and just have tie wraps here and here, so it doesn't move and it's going to break. And it goes to the end of this, which I can, when I'm going to connect those things together, okay, and I'm going to use the fluid, the water, just to be with more pressure or now, going right and left. Just give me a sec. Okay, so it's going to be right and left. I'm going to, because the person is going to be just a bit, it's a bit bigger. So I have the pump inside. It's going to be here. Okay, this is 110 liters, and we're going to put here the Fastwasher, and there is going to be the pump. The water is going to be, this is about 43 centimeters, I don't know in inch. So it's going to be here the pump, sorry, here the pump with the Fastwasher, okay, and water inside with the bottles. I'm trying to work with probably I'm going to use or I'm going to use let me see, vanish oxidation or those things. Also, I'm going to use PBW. Okay? So I'm going to put all that thing inside, and this is something good, and try to fix that here. Okay, this is not a plastic like Garden, it's metallic. So we try to connect that thing with the pump, water inside, and see how it's going to be. Which, if I'm going to take it, hold on, because it's not very stable on there, so I'm going to use a thing. So, taking the thing from right. Okay, give me a sec. This is the first time that I try, so I try with you. I mean, just you watching here, or better just to make place here and pause it. Hold on. Oh yeah, I have a video from that thing that I bought from Bro Lucian, which I'm working with them. I'm going to put online on YouTube soon. I will have so many things to do. So, hold on, I'm taking that both hands. Same here. So I'm going to show you what's going to be. So, I have that. Nothing is coming from here. Up there, here. And if I'm going to hold the pump, it's going to be inside here. Alright? This is a floater, okay, which I'm going to use it soon. So if I'm going to make the thing just like that, I have to connect that thing with this thing, alright? Or maybe if I use from the other hand, but if I'm going to turn it, no, that was better because it's watching. Okay, so I think it's better if I'm going to use it that. Give me a sec, guys, give me a sec. Hold on. Okay, so. Alright. So I have connected. So the pump is here, inside. Right? As you can see. With the floater. And here I'm going to have more pressure, less pressure, or more pressure if I'm going to give it everything, you know, line and straight over to the bottles. This is that something I like to try with you, and I want to see what's going to happen. So I have also ready here the thing. Alright. going to be. Let me see. Okay. Right. So I'm going to connect and plug the pump, which is not ready yet to connect it. So hold on. Mess. So with one hand I can do everything. I cannot do anything. So let me see one more. Here, plug that thing inside. Okay. Put it down. Good. So I just want to see what's going to happen, as I'm very curious about that. I'm going to close that. So the water, the pump. Oh yeah, let's put that thing inside, because I don't know if the pressure is going to be really hard. Okay, here it is. All right. So let me see. I'm going to have some water, of course, inside to make it. So try to find a place. Okay. The water is here. So normally I must have the water just about here. Oh no, still. Alright, let me start with some water. Okay, I would like to find a solution. Okay, let me put that thing here. Okay, bring some water. See what's going to be straight away. Okay, I will use. Oh, I don't have it or what? Use. Okay, so taking the camera out. Here. Okay, I'm going to. I'm very curious, because I would like to see how much it's going to be. The filter that I use also for the clear the beer. Simply I have those things also. Yeah. I think it's going to take about 5. Yes, this 5 liters, so and it's really a little bit more. Okay, here we go again. Not bad. Or better to take nothing. This is also the inox that I use for my beer. Okay, hold on, guys. Here we go. As you can see, they told me it's better just to be a little bit higher, as the pump is going to suck all this water, which is going to be probably quick. Yeah, I just want to see what's going to be. I'm curious to see how it's going to work, that thing. Because if I'm going to make it that thing. Oh, okay. Not exactly in the corner. Alright. I think it's okay. Hold on. This is a silicone tube. It's about 20 liters, no, it's about 10 liters something inside. So, let me see. Hold on. I'm so sorry about that. Okay. Oh, nice. Because this is very dangerous now, as I am let me see what happens here. Okay, not bad, not bad at all. Okay, so let me, one more or something could be. I'm going to use the 5 liter now. Okay, here we go, one more. So the level is almost the same level as you can see with Fastwasher 24 bottles. So okay, let me add some bottle inside, or probably most of the bottle inside, to see what's going to be. And try to see how can I work that. Okay, hold on. How many bottles are there? Okay, so probably I can take from those bottles that I have here. which those bottles are really, oh, bad, so bad. Okay, I haven't had no water inside, but I know I'm going to have probably those bottles. Mess. Okay, what about that thing? Okay. The thing is to see how it's going to work. Okay, let's start here. Mess. Oh, mess. Oh. So those balls. What the hell? Oh, they are nasty, really nasty, those balloons. Okay, so it's not clean yet, of course. No clean yet. Okay. And the best way was that if I could add PBW and hot water, just a little bit hot water, because this water is cold. Probably it's going to be better than cold water, okay? But for me it's okay. But for me it's to see the pressure of the pump, nothing else. So this is a thing that I try to not so much. Don't care if there's a small wall inside. I don't care if there is something. Of course they are dirty, okay? Don't complain. But I'm going to see all that thing has a small stuff inside, as you can see. You can see that? Okay, so all right. So the meaning of this is with a pump like this one, it's gonna have a pressure, okay? What's going to be? Here you go. Probably I'm going to add, oh my, smell a little beer with a bottle. I know, it's okay. So the thing is that what's going to be with the pressure and how clean it could be, and I'm going to try after with hot water, but I found that with the other pump, this one, when I add PBW inside in this basket, okay? So when I add, what's that? Okay. So when I add PBW, with the pressure start to be a foam inside of the bottle, and many of those bottles, and many of those bottles didn't work so well, didn't clean so well. Why? Because the foam goes inside here with this pump, okay, and it didn't go just straight up to clean the bottles. So I got problem. Got really problem, and I tried to find a solution. So after 20 minutes that I left the bottle inside to clean, I saw that I saw that nothing happens, and I have to take out the bottle to take out the bottle here. Okay, it was just like that. So the foam was here. Take out the bottle and put the bottle again, and then I saw just straight up. But after a few minutes ago, same problem, same thing, and it wasn't easy. So now I'm going to control from here the pump. Also, I'm going to add PBW, as I said to you, which would be nice if I could first just put in the water and make a solution which then, okay, so make a liquid solution with PBW and water. I mean, everything's going to absorb inside of the water. This is what I mean, and not just straight inside there. But everybody said, okay, PBW must be in the warm water. So I need 3 more bottles. Okay, I'm gonna have it, of course. Here's 1 bottle. I have 2 more bottles to go. Alright, so I'm gonna have 1, 2 bottles. Hold on, sorry. The second one. Two bottles and go. Okay, 1. Second here. So, the time of the truth has come. Oh, mess. I'm not going to have a problem because that thing, where was all the water, mess. Okay, cool. Okay, here we go. So, those things, 1, 2, okay, I have 1 more to go. Don't believe that. Cool that I found, otherwise it's going to be disaster. Alright, 1 more. Okay. By the way, if you just wonder what's this is from PIW, which has Brazil, okay? And here I have IPA, right? It's my IPA There is the Weiss and Pale Ale, which is really, really excellent. Just a little bit sweet, I think. But it's the sugar. And just down there, the Stout. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to have fun. It's going to be a really disaster. So, let me start. Okay. Hope electricity doesn't go out. And here you go. Hold on. And go. Oops. Oh yeah? Of course, the floater. Why should it be just like that, man? Okay, here we go, slowly. What? Can't believe this. I thought it was... not so much person. Why? Okay. I thought there was person was going to be. Honestly. Okay, so I'm going to use PDW and what else? Okay. Okay. Stop it, I'm going to start again. Alright. Here we go again. So if you want someone have a problem with this palm, which I'm sure you're gonna have it, just try to make the pattern that thing and fix the old stuff. Okay. All right, good. Oh, nice. Okay. Alright guys, I let that thing wash it till the end. Okay. So that's it. Oh, I made something, and I'm gonna have a little bit bigger from the pub. The pub is going to be just right. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys, for the moment. Okay. Cheers. So just in that thing here. Okay. Speak to you soon.